Yung nakita ko ng Fuji, okay na ako, pwede na ako umuwi.
Ang ganda.
Guys, sobrang saya talaga ng ganitong trip. Mount Fuji Day! Yung nakita ko ng Fuji, okay na ako, pwede na ako umuwi. Guys, eto na yung Fuji, oh. Nandyan, somewhere there. Ano ba yung Fuji na
kami ni
yan?
baby ko.
Kakaloka, guys.
First date,
Kakaloka.
honeymoon namin dito.
Gago. Nakita ko na eh, okay na. Guys, pwede na. Pag nakita mo na, sa totoo lang, yun naman talaga siya. Pero may mas maganda pa daw. Guys, ito na yan, oh. Ang ganda here, oh. You can take your photos here.
Ang ganda.
Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted.
Okay, nakita natin yon. Meron tayong Fuji shot. The next naman is the temple. So, yun yun. Ina-climb.
I know you never forgive.
Warm up pa lang. Wala bang elevator?
Wala, day.
Warm up pa lang, hingal na tayo mga guys.
Ano pa?
Just wanna be the one
Yun na guys. We're here. On top.
We're done with Fuji.
Hi, I'm melting in the heat, but it was very pretty.
It's worth it.
Yeah,
It's
like the
worth it.
cherry blossom, it was so nice. Loved it.
Worth the hype. We're going to the shopping center. Pero by 12, 10, 15, dapat na kumalik na kami. So, naglalakad na kami.
Ito ni street kasi makita mo. Ayan, no? May Fuji. Yan yun.
Mga perfect na kasama kasi ito, grabe, ang sisipag talaga. Talagang itong tatlo. Ako talaga guys, di kaya.
might last forever.
Guys, sobrang worth it talaga. First part pa lang, yes. I love it. So it's all Instagrammable shots the whole day. So you have to have energy, wait for your turn, kasi ganun talaga. Yes, may pila siya, but kaya naman. So you just have to buy everything that you need. For me, bumili ka ng mga 7-Eleven mo. Bring your Coke Zero and all of your different stuff. So ito na yung last shot. Dalawa yung bridge kanina at saka yung ito. Cooking class kasi natapos na kami sa Fuji na Instagrammable sites. In fairness, maganda tong Fuji na Instagrammable sites ha. Kasi, alas din talagang Fuji talaga. Kita-kita mo. Oh. Asakusa at night guys. Tapos yung temple nandyan lang. Tenochi Temple. Ano diba? So now we're going to go to sushi. Nagchichika pa kami. Tapos si Joanna nawala na naman yung babaeng maliit na yun. Charot lang. Maki sushi ko yan. Ito na yung final namin. O diba? Eat the sushi that we made. So guys, that's the end of the trip. The best area. Paano maubos to? This is Ometosando. So these are like your top luxury good. Eh, paminsan, you can't have it all. But, you can find ways to have it all. Charot! And everything here is like stones. Diba? I'm home after almost 20 days now.